Hi, my name is Shay Mohammed Siddiq and I am currently pursuing BTech IT at SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. I am from Tanjavur and I am my short-term goal is to clear all the semester and get placement, and my long-term goal is to place in Soho company as a full-stack developer. I participated in many events and I won third prize in poster designing conducted by Anna University Regional Campus, Coimbatore, and I participated in many technical events and hackathon, and I worked in 3 projects. First one is aquaculture management system, second one fuel delivery, and currently working in Grand Reno, which is for renovation of home using online contractors, and I successfully completed my internship in WebGen technology for 21 days, which is about full stack development. And I initially to learn the full stack development, and I hope that I will learn soon and I learn quickly and be successful in this career. Thank you.